Welcome to this detailed guide on renting a yacht in Brazil. If you're planning a yacht trip and feeling uncertain about where to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process of booking a yacht on a popular yacht rental site. We'll explore all the options available, compare various yachts, and help you make sense of pricing so you can decide which yacht suits your needs and budget. First, let's discuss how to get started. Head to the website and start by setting your location and travel dates. In Brazil, you'll find options along the beautiful coastline, with yachts ranging from small sailing boats to luxurious motor yachts. Setting your preferences early helps the website tailor options specifically to you, showing only the available yachts during your travel dates. Now, let's look at the type of yachts available. Yachts come in all shapes and sizes, including basic boats ideal for day trips, mid-range options with basic amenities, and high-end yachts with more luxurious features. Each yacht listing provides photos, specifications, and features, so take your time to review these. You can filter by amenities like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and onboard crew options, which is essential if you prefer a guided experience. Next up is budget and cost considerations. Yacht rental in Brazil can vary widely in cost depending on the yacht type, location, and rental period. Be sure to compare costs between available yachts. Typically, you'll see options for hourly, daily, or even weekly rentals. The pricing is clearly displayed, with additional fees mentioned upfront. Some boats also come with an added skipper or crew fees, so check all details carefully to stay within your budget. One of the key benefits of this platform is the transparency in pricing and booking details. Every fee, service option, and requirement is listed clearly, making it easier to understand what you're paying for. You'll also find customer reviews for most yachts, offering insight into real user experiences, which is helpful for knowing what to expect. Once you've chosen a yacht that meets your needs, the next step is to confirm your booking. Simply follow the booking instructions, where you'll provide your personal details, payment info, and finalize your reservation. Make sure to read the rental policies, as these will inform you of rules regarding cancellations, rescheduling, and other terms of service. To summarize, if you're considering a yacht rental in Brazil, this platform is a reliable choice for an easy, secure booking process with plenty of customizable options to fit different preferences and budgets. So why wait? Book a yacht today using my link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like for more travel and booking tips.